Another type of questions that you can get is find the least number that must be subtracted from 1989 so as to get a perfect square. Okay, so earlier we were seeing like the number which can be multiplied or the number which can be divided. Now in division method we can find the number which can be subtracted or added to make it a perfect square. So what we will do is we will start finding the square root of number 1989. They mean that 1989 is not a perfect number for now. We have to add or subtract something so that it can become a perfect square. So what we will do, we will start pairing it up from the right hand side. First pair is this 19. So 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. So what will come here? 4. Okay. I hope this is clear how can we calculate the square root by long division method. Okay, now 4 into 2 is 8 and a blank. So what will come in blank? Let's try 4. Okay, let's try 5. You know this, right? Whichever number we are putting in the blank, we have to multiply it by that number only. So it's more. Okay, so we will use 4. Remainder is 53. Now this is the number which is the remainder. And when this remainder is subtracted from this number, it will give us a perfect square. Okay? You got what I am saying? Whatever the remainder is, if we subtract it from this number, we will get a perfect square. So let's try. Which will be 1936. Let's check whether 1936 is a perfect square or not. Let's start pairing up. Remainder is 3. 8. We will use 4. So 3 3 6. Remainder is 0. That means 1936 is now a perfect square. So whatever is the remainder, if we subtract it from this number, then it makes them the perfect square. So in the earlier cases, why we never subtracted it? Because whatever we have done so far, we were getting the output as 0. Correct? So for example, in this case, we were getting our remainder as 0. So that means this is already a perfect square. Correct? If I minus it with this, it will be the same number. So it is already a perfect square. So to make a perfect square, you have to minus number with the remainder. Hope this is clear to you. It can come in any form. Please let me know if you find it difficult to solve. We will solve it together.